Oh, no. 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 Oh, he's fallen over. Mate, the snow's gone. Mate, it didn't even last 6. Mate, 1:19 in the afternoon. I'm awake at a reasonable time. You're a very proud kitty cat, aren't you? Well, it shouldn't be because, yeah, I've not been to bed since yesterday.
What did you do?
You know what? I'm not quite particularly sure. You see, this wire, you're supposed to pull it, and the blinds go up, not off. Like, seriously, I just pulled it. But I think I may have pulled it. Rather than pull it straight, I think I might have pulled it a bit too much this way, and then pulled it off
onto the floor.
Don't worry about it. It's fine. Backup plan. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Oh, mate, fighting the sleep urges right now. It's the same day that we built a snowman, only like 12 hours apart. And the snow has completely melted. It's a beautiful day. The snow has vanished. The Defender's not even got a touch of snow on it. It's like I'm in a different country. And whilst the snow's completely melted, I've received a package from Razer. I have no idea what it is. I am excited to open it, but it's kind of cool. Can I get a ripperoni in the comments, boys? Gordon, you were loved, you were laughed at, but you were murdered by the sun. Global warming got the best of you, mate. Oh my God, his face has been bloody melted. Yeah, I can't believe that. From 6 a.m. this morning to what, 4 p.m. now? Like, the change this makes is absolutely ridiculous. Well, it's 4 o'clock. My mum and sister do finish work at Syndicate Original at 4, but the shutter's not down and their cars are not here. But there's someone in. Where are the cars? Oh, remember when you wouldn't give me my £2 a week? Unless I'd wash your car?
Yeah,
I remember.
You didn't cut the lawn, and then when I eventually got you to cut the lawn, you broke the lawnmower on purpose.
I didn't break it on purpose, Mum. It accidentally fell apart after I kicked it. Whoa. They're a bit crispy because we brought them all the way from Amsterdam.
Oh, we aren't. Great.
Like,
Yeah, you have to pay on the car park.
really? Yeah. Oh, I only want to feed the ducks. Mate, it feels so good to be out of the house, and it feels even better to be in swell. Steve needs food bad. How do, fella? How do? What's going on in there? You got an animal in there vaping? What's in there? Is there anything in it?
Little chameleon forest dragons, yeah.
Whoa.
In the back as well.
Whoa. Oh, yeah? Whoa. Crazy looking things. We came on a good day. Steve's gonna eat tonight. You know what? I wonder if the ducks will eat these as well. We can make them cricket sandwiches.
No.
They're pretty cool. We want 3 of those, yeah. Yes. We have arrived at the destination. Time to feed the ducks. Oh, hello, my pretty... Oh, they're coming. They know we've got... Look at them. They're like, we know you've got a loaf. Hand it over. Come. Come. Watch them all. They're like a little army. Yes. Feed. These guys are winning little amounts of bread. Yo, check this. Yo, you are the winning duck. All right, bro, I'm gonna give you an entire slice. Oh, mate, Tony. There you go, mate. It's for you. Whole thing. Take it. Yeah, go on, lad. Oh, mate, you've just been robbed. Oh, like piranhas. Whoa. Just a casual day in the park. Oh, my God, I got a pet. You keep missing. Eat the bread, not my fingers. Moo, you're on me trainers. What are you doing? Mate, you can have some. And, hey, no. You can have some. No, you can have some. Nice. Oh, mate, took the whole thing. Mate, what are you doing? We got Warburtons. Right, watch. This duck will never know. Ready? Oh, I am...
He's coming.
Duck feeder. Da-da-da-da. Nice. That one actually did. Ta-da. Nice.
It's the same one again.
Oh, shit. Piss off. Ta-da. Hey, stop. Mate, you can fucking pet them. They're like dogs. What? Oh, shit. Watch. It's like a dog. Come. This is Dave. Dave's my pet duck.
He's not a duck, he's a goose.
This is... Oh, sorry. This is Sandra. Hi, Sandra. Oh, should I try this?
Stop being so scared.
I'm so scared. I'm not walking. That might be the most terrifying thing about it. I've skydived and done all sorts of stuff. That might be the most terrifying. Hello, look at your little neck. Go! Oh, mate, no! It's terrifying, isn't it? Mate, no, we can't do that. No! Give that back to my wife. Hey! Yeah, who's the winner now? There you go, put it back in your mouth. All right, nice. I fought for you for that, and you just threw it. No? Okay. Oh, here you go. This is looking promising. No? This is looking promising. Yes? Go on. Oh, go on, that last.
Go on, do your tricks.
Ready? Everybody. Yeah.
No one's watching you.
Rock your body. Yeah. Mate, Gatsby's well better than me. You are boring. Take that. Attack my loaf. Wait, I wonder how many I can pile on his back. Mate, he has no idea he's a walking toaster. Oh, mate. Go on. What was that? Wait, I'm sure. Did some more fall on it?
No.
Oh, was that it? Mate, do you remember last time we came, we brought 2 loaves.
Last time I came, I was in the vlogs.
Really?
I don't think so.
Oh. Yeah, I went and picked Lydia up, and oh my god, that's a lot of burp. Yeah, I know you did. I saw the whole thing happen. Yeah, last time I went and picked Lydia up as a little date, and she had no idea where I was going. I was like, where are we going? She was like, I don't know. She was trying to guess. She was trying to guess.
This date's gonna cost me 70p.
It was an expensive date. It was 2 loaves of bread. Did you enjoy it though?
Yeah.
It was a pretty good date,
Wasn't
just
as
saying.
fun when it's freezing, was it?
Yeah, no, my hands are literally numb right now. It's Lydia's mum's birthday tomorrow, so I need to get a birthday card that fits the occasion. Your mum and my mum were born in the same hospital.
In the same hospital, a day after each other, so our
Day after each
grandmas
other.
were like next to each other giving birth.
That's kind of weird.
Yeah.
This is perfect for your mum.
Why?
My spidey sense is tingling. Looks like I'm needed here. Yep. Best waste of a £2 ever. We're learning how to make ramen. There's no way we're going to be able to make it like Tatsu good
gonna be
ramen. Yes, it is.
Watch me.
Yes, it is. Chicken. Actually, see stock. What is that? Oh, I see shiitake mushrooms. Yeah. Mushrooms,
Got
noodles.
eggs at home.
What is this?
Rice wine vinegar.
Never heard of that before, but yeah, sure. You know, I was feeding the cats. Lydia screamed. The cat ran into the cabinet and smacked his head, so he's injured. But Lydia's dented her shin. Oh no! Look how big that shit is. Look at that hairy leg. I fell asleep on the sofa watching Casey Neistat's new video. Lydia made some ramen. It looks like ramen.
It looks disgusting.
Well, no, it looks oily, but that's pretty normal for ramen, and it actually tastes really good. Yourself out of 10 for it?
4.
4? Really? For your first attempt, being honest, flavour, everything, I'm giving you like an 8.9.
No.
The thing that brought it down for me was that spice. It was like the spice sits on the back of my throat. Like I could feel it just sat there. But other than that, it's good. Oh, little cutie. She used like nearly oh my god, every bowl, everything, every ingredient in the house. She sadly wasn't very happy with it, but I was. It was incredible. However, we then fell asleep on the sofa again. You know, remember that thing that we're not supposed to do? You know, sleep halfway through the day. Well, we did. We did it again. We did it again. Oh, emptying the bins when it's like -1 degrees outside in a t-shirt and flippy floppies. Babe, right? I know I've asked this a million times, but I'm really tired. Oh, for God's sake, I put out black. I did.
What's wrong with you?
I don't know. Can you come and move your car, please?
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh.
God!
I'm joking, don't need you to move your car.
Are you joking?
Got him! She cooks. I clean. Well, the washing machine does. And I'm now left with a predicament of I fell asleep on the sofa for 5 hours and it's now midnight that I'm not really that tired. Whoops. Hey, the stuff I find in my pockets is amazing. Bottle opener, gadget remover where you click it on and apparently it comes off. But more importantly, when I look in this pocket, oh yeah, what have we got? We've got a Gran Canaria titty glass. So let's add that to the collection. We have Gran Canaria, Amsterdam, Paris, Scotland, Ireland, England and England. We have 2 Englands because it's the best country in the world. Can you see this? This is a knife. No, I actually totally forgot. At 9 o'clock this morning when I was editing the vlog, like half falling asleep from my sleep deprivation schedule, basically I got a big ass package from Razer. So I'm not 100% sure what it is. They never really tell me anymore when they're gonna send me stuff. It's just a case of ding dong, 8 AM delivery. Who's that? It's either my granddad or Razer. But if I had to actually take a proper guess as to what this is, I'm going to say it's the new Razer speakers. Jericho did like an epic commercial with them for it where he's like sat down on the chair and they're blasting music at him. So I'm kind of hoping it is because my Bose speakers that I've had for ages upstairs have gone. Every time they go over a certain level, they've just busted start going, and you may think that is good, but it's really not. So let's get into this. Okay, we're gonna need to change camera angle. As you guys know, Razer's amazing with its packaging, but this one's got me confused. Not saying it's not good or anything, but you remove the first layer, and what do you see? Boom, wham, zip, emojis. I'm starting to doubt whether I knew what this actually was now. I thought it was the set of speakers, but I could be very wrong, but okay. Oh, mate, is this actually going to jump out at me or something? Okay, we're past the first layer. Wait, oh, it's a box within a box. I need both hands. More emojis and smash. It's exactly what I thought it was, actually, and that is the boom Razer Nomochroma. So pretty good timing because, you know, like I've said the past, few days, yeah, I'm going to get round to cleaning my office, going to get round to doing it. Well, tomorrow I'm going to do it, and tomorrow we're going to set up these new speakers because they do look kind of badass. Well, let's get into the packaging. I do have to say, that is cool, but that is not Razer-esque at all. I don't know who they hired in the marketing department, but that doesn't... That's not what I'm used to from Razer. This sleek blackness is what I'm used to from Razer. So what's going to be the best way to get in this? Simple, you just turn it upside down. But oh, see, that's what I'm used to. Razer Nomochroma. What is this? Whoa, oh. With the amount of hours we spend gaming, we want gaming audio that delivers a full experience. This is going to transform the way you all enjoy entertainment. But just don't take my word for it. Experience it yourself now. Min Liang Tang, co-founder, CEO, and creative director. Can you tell I'm tired? I messed up every single word in that sentence then. But let's reveal thy speakers. Ooh, kill them. Ooh, oh God. Sleek. Go on, slide right off. Stop, damn it. Ooh, look at them bad boys. Now they're quite big, which is obviously an amazing thing, but check this out. They've got a volume mixer on it as well as a bass mixer. So apparently you can genuinely feel with these speakers, the bass... Hi there. The bass being blammed at you. So rather than it just being on the floor, just boom, boom, boom. Apparently you can feel the bass hitting you with these. So I am very excited to try them out. And obviously, they're chroma. So tomorrow, I am very excited to get those set up in my brand new clean office. But until then, yeah, it's midnight, so not doing that right now. Played a bit of RS on the side. What you know, boys? What you know? And I'm feeling really fresh and really good, as you'll see in tomorrow's vlog. Got my sleep schedule fixed. I'm feeling good. I did fall asleep throughout the day today, like you saw, but you know what? I'm feeling really good, feeling motivated, and it's probably because I'm British and I've had a cup of tea this morning, so I'm feeling great. But nonetheless, guys, thank you very much for watching. You will see in tomorrow's vlog, hopefully, me clean this office. So this is me tomorrow. You're watching the daily vlog, but then this is me ending it tomorrow. But the office is still a tip, so I'm going to try and clean it out. But it is Lydia's mum's birthday, so we're going out for her birthday today. So you'll see what happens there as well. So much love. Thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow at 6 PM for the next daily vlog. Sound like a plan? Subscribe, ding dong, notification bell, leave a like rating, and I'll see you guys later. Much love. Adios.